Unraveling the mystery of throws a curveball. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular phrase, throws a curveball. It's a term you might have encountered in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, throws a curveball, originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch that curves or breaks as it approaches the batter, making it difficult to hit. The pitcher uses a special grip and wrist motion to impart a spin on the ball, causing it to move in an unexpected way. When used outside of baseball, throws a curveball is a metaphorical expression. It means to introduce an unexpected challenge or difficulty. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal life to professional situations. Whenever someone or something throws a curveball, it means they have introduced a surprise or complication that requires adaptability and quick thinking. To better understand how to use throws a curveball in everyday English, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace. Just when we thought we had the project timeline figured out, the client threw us a curveball by changing the requirements. 2. In personal life, I had planned a quiet weekend at home, but my friends threw me a curveball by showing up unannounced for a surprise visit. 3. In academics. The final exam threw a curveball at many students with its unexpected questions. Using throws a curveball in your speech is a great way to convey that you've encountered something unexpected or challenging. It's a phrase that can add color and dynamism to your storytelling. When you use it, make sure the context involves a situation that was surprising or required a swift adjustment in plans or thinking. That's a wrap on today's lesson about the phrase, throws a curveball. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, language is full of colorful expressions that make communication more vivid and engaging. Keep an eye out for our next video, and until then, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language. See you next time.